Call. Right, it's your boy Jaden from Envious Events here today. Out here at Nelson Mandela Park with another freestyle battle. Today we are with
Gaza Dan, aka Grimy. Straight out at Dago, represent, you don't know. Nobody knows.
Alright.
Guardians, the Galalos, me do things vicious.
Right. So we're gonna flip a poll to see who going first. So where you pick?
Caribbean.
You pick the Carib, alright.
I let man first.
So you going first. No, you going first, yeah.
I win first. Yeah.
Let's play. What me I say? Guardians from over, represent for the thugs them.
What me I say?
Yeah. Me no care who is he, you can't step to me. I'ma tell you, my name is Cardius. Let's see, pussy, why do you can't talk to me? Me will send you in the blood clot cemetery, ha ha ha. Because I laugh and I bra, me master, me craft. Pussy, me just a show off and the glass. Yeah, envious events, Cardius, we do the thing proper. Anymore, violate me fully, me cock up. Pussy, me no care, use no my brother. Ha, me is the one, Canada. Me no care about Gaza, ha, only rather, ha. Bumble clap, me have on the box bunny. Don't think the shit funny. You hit you, shot from the tummy. You know me like to laugh, but me just a master my craft and show off. Wrong one, done. Pussy get gone down. Don't take me for no blood clot clown. Me will hit a shot from the fucking cranium. Shot from the cranium, yeah. Me just a do my thing proper. Any boy violate me or me brother. We in the shit together. Envious, Cardios, we gotta lose, yeah. Me done, so let him take up the mic and start to spit for me. If he try opposite me, ha, me will hit a shot from the tummy. Ha, why do you not ready for the blood clot too? Ha, me will let you 7.62. Pussy, bullet off it, enter you.
Fully done, we will murder you. Them fire 4 more fire 8 bar 5 and I'm chest rest a headshot. Them a kill it we no take shot. There's the go bad man your casket drop. We the rampant people, real killers we evil. 7.6 fly chase call like a eagle. Claim them a step a dog man I go believe you. And the grim reaper come and start to come from in nature. We the rampant people, real killers we evil. 7.6 fly chase call like a eagle. Claim them a step a dog man I go believe you. And the grim reaper come and start to come from in nature. When copper shot fling you, skull a split up into. And the sniper put a red out on your head like a hendo. All the tips are broke up in here just like a window. Beat up the AK, then we wet up the passenger. Go and start the war, we go kill him fucking crew. Got the AR-15 now stick like the pin glue. Murder them foes, now go left a fucking crew. Guns and ammunition, let's go call the boys in blue. We the rampant people, real killers were evil. 7.6 fly chase go like a eagle. Claim them a step a dog, when I go believe you. And the grim reaper come and start to come from the nature. We the rampant people, real killers were evil. 7.6 fly chase go like a eagle. Claim them a step a dog, when I go believe you. And the grim reaper come and start to come from the nature. Pull up on the men's in an unknown vehicle. Squeeze the trigger, making us smoke like diesel. When black rain fall after the gunman season. At the time me bust him, I take no permission or reason. Take away my life now in the market and freeze. You want start no call and pay straight to no meeting. Wave the Draco, beat it and bullet for great you. At the time me pull the chalice grave and this so we leave you. With the rampant people, real killers were evil. 7.6 fly chase call like a eagle. Claim them a step a dog, man I go believe you. And the grim reaper come and start to go for the nature. With the rampant people, real killers were evil. 7.6 fly chase call like a eagle. Claim them a step a dog. Yeah.
Yes, you know, let me in.
Yo. What are them? Yeah. Pussy.
How are you?
Yeah. How are you? Guess what?
Yeah. Well, it's a killing spree. Got real monsters right beside me. Fibo said is a guarantee. In killing me, got a degree. Have many AR-15 and P90. Pussy, it's reality, not TV. We'll catch all enemies separately and deal with them accordingly. That's the remedy. Hey, pull up in a B14 with a M16 and a Glock on the block. Catch a pussy punch spot. Give the chicken non-stop. And a real murderer, and me don't give a fuck. Brotherly come from the cold concrete. Before me gun bust it, go meet them beat. 7.62, make them like 6 feet. They can't step to me, best you take a back seat. When I touch them, we originate. When the war start, me monsters them complete. That simply is the pussy have to retreat. They defeat and I run from the wall like cut meat. Bust my gun till it over, kill them one ball. and one, not to mention. Rise up the kill with the extension. Hey, pussy, what do you? You can't talk to me in the real sunny and the blood clots, yeah, me cheap pussy. You're not ready, me got the jump on and the fucking belly. Hey, man, a real murderer. I mean, no care who is fucking you. Gunshot a fifth, split up you. Hey, yeah. 50 caliber, I bust loud like tank. If you think a lie, motherfucker, ask from. Fresh gun me buy, money in the bank. Me not sing for the fame, neither the rank. Pussy one, check this in a me can. And it enough for head back, electron. Yeah, you're not bad, you're not bad. Me and the baddest and the illest in the Trinidad, dog. What do you, me will shoot you, pull your crew. What do you, pussy, you can't talk to me.
That was Cardias, we go, and you was Stefan Javier. Now, give me the rhythm.
Cardias. Must be Marius. Yeah. Yo. When it was that nobody try escape, Cardias try test me a skull gun break. Your baby mother scream, but bust it 38. A base crime scene, police yellow tape. Everybody know you are fraud and you are fake. You are no bad man, that got pussy on your face. Call up my name, what the fuck you meditate. Me go kill all your friends and shell on your wake. No sister, them a snake, tell you don't trust it. My boss done give the word, say your head busted. Rifle shot, start fire, no time for cook it. Anytime I cross the road, then I say we lock it. Man, your girl nigga, then I she with them gone. Shut up your funeral blood, break up your tombstone. Telescoping on my matter, shot is with your crown. They brought them take my friend, but turn them in a skeleton. And when you was that boy, can't diss me that you too shitty. We kill you, that but him and know me now a pity. Circle your ends, bitch, and catch you slippy. Bust out your head with the brown you spitty. Hey, find out where the real iniquity. Bust out your head when your brains them licky. Hey, boy must be silly. Hey, bust up me night Billy. Hey.
Nah, one of them. One of them, but flat them.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Man, a real murderer, so me no care where you live, I'm coming for you. Look for the keep on silencer, we just had to be clean and leave me survivor. Me not hesitate to squeeze my trigger upon the crease, vector to you and a driver. You see all you know me a monster, shady the me the Oscar. Him a actor equal per actor, I will tell him in a dancer right after I deal with him at a fooling booty. But papa in a flawless manner with me Jeremy Rogan. He said it's like a basket, no, your mother never tell you what to read. You go so, muzzle upon your burn. Your head hello, you went from 0 to 0. Cardios, my name, so stay in your lane. Not all us, my aim, the spinal and brain. No evidence, no truth, yeah, ascertain. In boy head like migraine. Hey, bullet make them heart stop pumping blood. Pussy, you know, gunman probably in code. Watch out, make your husband you down in a pool of blood. When us murder anything, I look is odd. Well, everything is up on the WhatsApp, set pretty much 19, I'm at block. From up there, till monsters will overkill anything close to you feeling and bleeding. Hey, empty the clip on a regular. This scopes it further than the binocular, so that means you bypass the stretcher and got taken now. But if you think you're a sniper, hey, Carousel, like so. After to take from the Jeko hit you, hey, Rolando say, brother, that is the motto, hey, men are believers than John Crow, hey, you team me.
Yes, now we're going to hear stuff on what you know, give me the rhythm.
This what he win here.
Yeah. Me come from Diego Martin, where them known of skull we cracking. Circle elements and mark them, empty out the clip of the mark 10. Hey, nobody try for this and shake, cause if I want then I want me now wait till next year. Circle elements and bust out the SK, shot fly through your head, your skull broke up like Vader. Best you no go and see the pastor Sunday, and repent for your sins and drive fast up and pray. Come a dog them vicious, not one them don't play. Enough of them try this and get gunshot right there. Your mother ball, blue skies them turn grey. Him a run down badness but afraid they gun play. First shot out the 40 you try to run away, but the next gunman catch them with the pump. We don't give a fuck with the media one say. Me coulda never done snitch go and jail and turn grey. Be careful the system not fuck you same way. And only the realest are really strong me. Hey, in the streets man a hustle.
That was 2 down. Now we're going on to 4 down. First time. So you're going to hear Ricardo yourself. Let me hear we are the middle. Alright, dog. With the last one. 4 dead man.
Yeah. You no care what you know. You feel know me a pro. Come baby, never row. Mark it down in your portfolio. That's all the blood clot need to know. Share the real the galaxy chilling in the stars. Where I be pussy, they can't talk to me. You're not bother be full liquor, bother be the automatic. But your full metal jacket, you go be in a hole like a blood clot rabbit. Let me get you forget. Me go empty the clip on your mommy. Matter of fact, kill your whole family. I still have the audacity if you make your girlfriend suck. Make a keep on the balcony. Then flee them a talk about Batman. And I'm ready for the action. Come in altercation. Monsters ready for execution. The M4 A1 with extension cause destruction. When I see you again, it's in a pick or a piece. They care. That's why, hey, me a beer gun and me no fear nobody. Give on the time me gun and the map now will fix the man swanky. In the cemetery, Fabs, he send boy out quickly. Then up him and attack with the Caltech. When you was sleeping and you come back, stop make footstep. Bravely if you walk your life like we let don't forget you first. Disrespect. Boom.
Right, so that was Cardias. Now we're going on here with Gaza now. No seconds, me and the radio. Break.
For the win here.
Gaza done. The original done from the Gaza. You don't know. Drive by in at the Mazda. Hey. Stop hype up yourself, you can't scare me. Cardias, you're a big man, you are just a little baby. You want hype up shady, but boy must say crazy. Me a piece up the 380. Your mother cry just like a little baby. Boy listen to me, hey. When I rub with the Kelly, me a beat out shot in your head and your damn belly. Tell you you're not very scary, you're smelling just like you need underarm by your real smelly. Tell them, Pac-Man, tell them, you should have put Pac-Man on your jersey. Lord, it can't hurt me. Gunshots straight in your face. Your mother fly in a space. Your mother sing Amazing Grace at your funeral home. Boy, me a sing your home and me pull the chrome. Gunshot me a crack up your dome. Boy, stop sing but badness and go on in a choir and sing in a church. Gunshot perch in your brain like hey.
Song on the stage here, right? So we're gonna give them both 100 each and we're gonna give Cardias the jersey, right? Right? So, these are the two boys today, Gaza and Cardias, right? Nelson Mandela Park, we out.